Hi everybody, today we have a quick video on doing Excel calculations when the data is not in a single column. So for example, I have this set of data, which it says is a sample, not a population, and I want to find the mean, median, range, and standard deviation. I'm going to highlight the data, right-click, copy, then go to Excel, and in the first cell, I'm going to hit Control V to paste. It came in a little small, so I'm going to increase the font. Now I'm just going to write myself a note to say I'm going to find the mean, median, standard deviation, and the range. To find the mean, I'm going to go over in the cell next to the word I wrote, and I'm going to push equals. Then I type average, A-V-E-R-A-G-E, put a parenthesis, and then I'm going to highlight all of the data. Close the parenthesis, push equal, and notice I have the mean. Let's check to make sure it did all of it. Let's go underneath our first column and type equals and average again. And I'm going to highlight the first column. Notice this average was 44.07 versus the average of the whole data set, which came out to 45.24. So you can see it did the entire set and not just the first column. Let's do the same thing with median. I push equals, I'm going to type median, put a parenthesis, highlight all of the data. Standard deviation equals STDEV, but remember it was a sample, so I hit .s, highlight all of the data. The last one is range. I type equals, and then I select max, highlight all of the data, close the parenthesis because we have to do one more command. I do minus the min. So the range is telling me the highest value minus the smallest value. So make sure you go all the way down to all of the data. Close the parenthesis, push equals, and it found my range. So this shows you that Excel has the capability of doing these calculations even if we're not in a single column. It is important for them to be in adjacent columns. That way we don't have to do any special keys or commands to get it to look at the data in the different cells. So try to keep it all in adjacent cells and you shouldn't have any problems.